Hey folks, welcome back to one of the most enthralling, enlightening, entertaining and exciting session of Science Scamper for classes 6 to 8 by Educatup. And I am your super science teacher Ambika. At Educatup, we always empower all our students as how to think and not what to think. So if you want to experience the same, it's the right time to subscribe to the Educatup's YouTube channel. The subscription button is just given below, guys. If you like our video, don't forget to press the like button and ensure to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates from Educatup. Now let's start today's session, and the topic for the day is water, a precious resource. Of course it is. Without water, we can't imagine our lives. None of the living organisms can survive without water. So definitely it's a very precious resource. Now let's see that what topics we are going to cover. How much water is available? Forms of water, groundwater as an important source of water, depletion of water table, water management, what role you can play, effect of water scarcity on plants. Now let's start. How much water is available? See, we all know that our earth is 70% covered with water and 30% is land. If that is the scenario, that 70% earth surface is covered with water, then we should not have the problem of water scarcity. Then we should not have heard कि पानी बचाओ, save water because you have to save life, water is life. फिर क्यों कहते हैं इतना कि पानी बचाओ? जब 70% earth is covered with water, तब तो नहीं कहना चाहिए. But still it is there. Why? Because we need to understand that how much water is available and in which form. So, if we see, 97% water is present in oceans, and you know that oceanic water is salty. It contains high amount of salts, and that is why it cannot be used for drinking, for domestic purposes, for industrial purposes, by plants, animals, for anybody of us. That's why it is useless, isn't it? Yups. The next is that 2% of water is present in the form of polar ice caps. Now, polar ice caps means snow, solid form of water, which again cannot be used until and unless it is melted. And the 1% or even less than that is present in rivers, lakes and groundwater, which basically we can use. So that is why we have only that 1% or sometimes even then less than 1% for our usage, in which humans are there, animals, plants, all our domestic usage, our drinking purposes, industrial purposes and what not all, agriculture, everything. So that is why it is said that save water, save life. We should use water cautiously and with a sensibility, because 70% of earth surface is covered with water, लेकिन हमारे लिए तो 1% या उससे भी कम water ही available है. Now let's move ahead. Forms of water. So basically water is present in the liquid state, that is the liquid water, ice, that is the frozen state, and water vapor, that is the gaseous state. And you know the process of water cycle. There are 4 basic steps, that is evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. When sunlight falls on water bodies, water starts converting, the liquid water starts converting into water vapor, the gaseous state. Once the water vapor reaches up in the sky, the temperature gets lower and it again converts into liquid water droplets, that is condensation. Now the liquid water droplets combine together and form clouds. Now clouds become heavy and they start burst and the water starts coming down, that is the rain, snow, hail, that is the precipitation. And when it comes down, it is again collected in the rivers, lakes, oceans, groundwater, everywhere, that is the collection. Again evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. So this is your water cycle. Let's move ahead. Groundwater, which is an important source of water, and yes, it is extremely important source of water. Now what is groundwater? Water that seeps inside the ground, water that seeps into the soil when rain is falling, that is known as groundwater. जब बारिश होती है और बारिश का जो पानी कच्ची मिट्टी पे गिरता है और वो सारा मिट्टी अपने अंदर सोख लेती है, वो ही क्या बनता है? ग्राउंड वाटर. Now infiltration. Infiltration is that process when rainwater is seeping into the soil. जब पानी सॉइल में अंदर जाता है, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज इनफिल्ट्रेशन. नाउ एक्वीफायर, एट प्लेसेस द ग्राउंड वाटर इज स्टोर्ड बिटवीन लेयर्स ऑफ हार्ड रॉक्स बिलो द वाटर टेबल. कई जगहों पे जो पानी है वो एकदम बहुत नीचे रॉक्स के बीच में फंसा हुआ होता है. दैट एक्चुअली बिहेव्स एज एन एक्वीफायर, यानी कि एक फिल्टर की तरह. नाउ व्हाट इज वाटर टेबल? द अपर लेवल ऑफ वाटर विच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सॉइल, दैट इज नोन एज वाटर टेबल. यानी कि जब आप ज़मीन में खुदाई करते हैं, डिगिंग करते हैं और आपको जो पानी दिखता है, दैट इज़ वाटर टेबल. जो भी अपर लेयर पानी का सॉइल के नीचे प्रेजेंट होता है, जो भी अपर मोस्ट लेयर पानी का सॉइल के जस्ट नीचे प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज वाटर टेबल. और हम जब भी समर बोरिंग करते हैं, वेल डिग करते हैं, तो एक्चुअली हम कहाँ पे पहुँचते हैं? वाटर टेबल. लेट्स मूव अहेड. Now depletion of water table. Since many years now there is depletion of water table. यानी कि ग्राउंड वाटर का भी जो सबसे ऊपर वाला सरफेस है वो नीचे जाता जा रहा है, कम होता जा रहा है. क्यों? There are basic 3 reasons: increasing population, increasing industries and increasing agriculture practices. So basically जब population बहुत ज़्यादा है, लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, consumption बहुत ज़्यादा है, industries बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, एग्रीकल्चर बहुत होता है, क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन सो मच, और हर चीज़ में पानी की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. एंड ग्राउंड वाटर इज़ द बेसिक सोर्स विच इज़ यूज्ड बाय ह्यूमंस. अब ग्राउंड वाटर जितना ज़्यादा यूज़ करते जा रहे हैं वो कम होता जा रहा है. पोल्यूशन की वजह से रिप्लेनिश उतना नहीं होता है, तो इट इज़ गोइंग डाउन. Now, water management. What we can do to save water? One is rainwater harvesting. Now, rainwater harvesting is a technique in which you save rainwater and utilize it for later use. Like for example, at the roof of your house, you can get the rainwater collected. Then with the help of a pipe and a motor, you can transfer it either to the ground, that means soil के अंदर सीधे आप उसे ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, या फिर you can transfer it to the tank from where it can be supplied for different purposes, maybe for car washing, for gardening, these kind of things. The other is drip irrigation. In agriculture, irrigation is a very important aspect. अगर हमें crops grow करने हैं तो हमें सिंचाई करनी होगी, हमें उन्हें पानी देना होगा. लेकिन पानी कैसे देना होगा? एक तरीका है कि आपने पाइप लिया एंड you are doing it. One method is this drip irrigation. पाइपलाइंस लगा दी जाती हैं और उनमें जहाँ जहाँ पे आप क्रॉप लगाते हैं, जिस जिस डिस्टेंस पे, क्योंकि क्रॉप बिल्कुल बगल बगल में तो लगते नहीं है, एक डिस्टेंस पे लगते हैं, तो वहाँ पे आप एक छोटा उसमें जो है टैप दे देते हैं. जैसे आप मेन टैप ओपन करेंगे, पानी जाएगा और सिर्फ उन जगहों पे पानी निकलेगा जहाँ पे आपका प्लांटलेट लगा हुआ है. जितनी देर आपको पानी देना है आपने दिया, आपने मेन टैप बंद किया, पानी का सप्लाई बंद हो गया. सो दैट स्प्रिंकलिंग ऑफ वाटर विच वेस्ट्स एक्चुअली अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर कैन बी सेव्ड. इवन द सेम कैन बी डन इवन इन योर गार्डन्स बट विद अ सेंसिबिलिटी. सो ड्रिप इरिगेशन, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग आर सम वेरी judicious ways of saving water and in fact to utilize water. Now what role you can play? That means what role we all can play. You means we all humans can play in saving water, actually in utilizing water judicially. Check your toilets for leaks. Basic thing. हमेशा अपने bathrooms check कीजिए, कहीं पे कोई लीकेज नहीं होना चाहिए. अपने घर के नल चेक कीजिए, टैप्स चेक कीजिए, कहीं कोई लीकेज नहीं होना चाहिए. A basic amount of water is wasted through that. Stop using your toilet as an ashtray or waste basket. Don't do that. Don't dump everything over there. Put a plastic bottle in your toilet tank. Other than that, take shorter showers. It's not like that you have gone to take a shower and you are bathing for 1 hour. Please don't do that, because in bathing, in taking showers, a lot of water is wasted. So be very cautious that you should bathe only for a limited time. Install water saving shower heads or flow restrictors. Then turn off the water while brushing your teeth. Some people have the habit, अभी ब्रशिंग चल रहा है, टैप ओपन कर दिया है. नो, वंस यू हैव फिनिश्ड योर टास्क देन ओपन द टैप. और अदरवाइज स्लीप्स ऊपर कर रहे हैं और टैप ओपन कर दिया है हैंड वॉश करने के लिए. नेवर डू दैट चिल्ड्रन, इट्स एक्सट्रीमली हार्मफुल. Turn off the tap while shaving. Use your automatic washing machine only for full loads. ऑटोमेटिक वॉशिंग मशीन्स या किसी भी टाइप की वॉशिंग मशीन्स, डिश वॉशर्स आपको सिर्फ तब यूज़ करनी चाहिए जब आपने उनको फुली लोड कर दिया है. फॉर जस्ट 2 clothes प्लीज डोंट यूज़ दैम बिकॉज दे कंज्यूम अ होल लॉट ऑफ वाटर. व्हेन यू हैव अ होल लॉट ऑफ बकेट फिल्ड विद क्लोथ्स, please use them, but use them when you have a whole lot of clothes to wash or a whole lot of dishes to wash, not just for 2 plates or 2 shirts. Water your lawn only when it needs it. गार्डन में पानी तब दें जब उसको ज़रूरत है. अपने टाइम पास के लिए छिड़काव करने ना जाएं. In these ways, we all can contribute in saving water, in utilizing water judicially. Now, effect of water scarcity on plants. पानी की कमी का हमारे पौधों पे क्या असर होगा? बहुत गहरा असर होगा, क्योंकि फोटोसिंथेसिस ही कम होगा. अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होगा, plants will die, and if plants will die, we will die, because our source of food is plants. So you know, potted plants, जो घर में आप गमले लगाते हैं, अगर उन्हें पानी ना मिले, they will wilt, मुरझा जाएंगे, मर जाएंगे. And just imagine, अगर plants नहीं होंगे, so what will happen? The green culture, the green environment, the green character of the planet will go away. And you know, this may even mean the end of life, because if there are no plants, there will be no food for us, for other animals, and we all eventually will die. So plants, trees, they should get ample amount of water, and it's not only about that how much water we are supplying to them. There should be natural rains for these things, you know, and for natural rains there should be a little less pollution level. So all these things are highly interconnected, children. So with this, we have come to the sweet, short and enlightening session of water, a precious resource. And if you have any doubts, queries, questions, please put your things in the comment box below, and your super science teacher Ambika will definitely get back to you. I know you all have subscribed to the Educatips YouTube channel. If you have never done so, please do it right now. I know you all have loved the video, so time to press the like button. For me, it's time to sign out for the day, but till the time we meet again, be safe, be happy, be self-aware of saving water, and spread the awareness to others to save water. Alright, till then, take care. Bye-bye.